National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Delaware Bay, including Woodland Beach, Brandywine Shoal Light, Cross Ledge Light, East Point, Fortesk Beach, 14-foot Bank Light, Miami Light, Sea Breeze and Ship John Shoal Light, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:12 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms producing strong winds 34 knots or greater from Woodland Beach to 18 nautical miles southwest of Cross Ledge Light, or from Woodland Beach to 9 nautical miles west of Bowers Beach, moving east at 35 knots. These strong thunderstorms will be near Ship John Shoal Light at 12:30 a.m., Sea Breeze at 12:30 a.m., Cross Ledge Light at 12:30 a.m., Miami Light at 12:40 a.m., Fortesk Beach at 12:40 a.m., 14-foot Bank Light at 12:50 a.m., Brandywine Shoal Light at 12:50 a.m., East Point at 1 a.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck as possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.